Hello, guys. So, I had an opportunity to sew a goddess skirt for a children's church. I used 15 yards of fabric to sew for, I think, 14 or 15 skirts. Let's get right into the tutorial. I advise that whenever you are gathering a skirt, always start from the sealed end of the fabric. It's safe. That's when you're gathering the fabric, you don't have to worry about it fraying as you're pulling the threads and all that. At the rough edge, you go ahead to fold it inside, then you iron it to give you a neat finishing. That's your goddess skirt. You need to sew two straight double lines. Those lines are the lines you're going to pull to gather the fabric to give it that effect. So this is the down part I spoke about earlier. You iron it, you pin it to give you a neat finishing. Start your gathering the two straight lines that you sewed earlier. You pick the first line, the front thread, the thread at the front, the first line. Then the second line, you pick the thread at the back. When you pick the thread at the back at the down line, then you begin to pull it and you begin to gather your fabric. When you're gathering the fabric, make sure you don't pull the thread too much because it can tear, and when it tears, it's a whole mess. It's either you have to remove the whole straight two lines and sew it again, or you have to tie. It's complicated, so just take your time and pull the thread slowly. Okay, yeah, take your time and pull the thread slowly. You are done gathering the fabric, you take the measurements of the gathered fabric to check if it's the same as your waist measurement. When it's the same as your waist measurement, then you go ahead to close the fabric at the side. You stitch it together at the side. So you go ahead to attach the waistband to it. So this hole is where our small rope is going to pass. So this skirt is going to have both elastic band and a rope. Head and pin the band to the waist, to the gathered fabric to the waist. Then you stitch it together to give it a neat finishing at the waist. So this is it. It's stitched together. You see how neat it looks? This is the back of the fabric. So you turn it to the front side, then you fold it in, then you pin it, you take it to the machine, then you stitch it. When you are done, you have a neat finishing both at the back of the fabric and the front of the fabric. It's so neat. So neat. You're going to use an elastic band inside your waist, inside your band. You leave a hole. Yeah, you leave a hole. Then you use your elastic to pass inside the small hole you've left. Okay. Yes. So when you are measuring your elastic band, it's your waist measurement minus 3. Whenever you're using an elastic band, it's your waist measurement minus 3. You use this pin that I'm using, the one the people that use the hair use, the salon use. It's so good. My mom taught me this trick. So you use it and it's smooth. You're able to pass the elastic inside the band freely, like, and quickly. This technique is so good. My mom taught me. I don't know if you noticed that there were like some names written on the fabric with a tailor chalk. When you're sewing for a lot of people, my mom taught me this too. So when you're sewing for a lot of people, write their names with your tailor chalk on the fabric. Otherwise, it's going to confuse you which one is for who and which one, like, it's going to really confuse you. So when you're sewing for a lot of people, make sure you write their names with a tailor chalk at the back of the fabric so it doesn't confuse you. Okay. So you make sure that you stitch the elastic band together very well before you push it inside the band. Okay. Then you close it up. You close it up neatly. Then you are done. Then you have your neat looking elastic band with the rope. The rope is going to be inside the elastic band, inside the band of the skirt. So this is the inside of the skirt looking neat, then the outside also looking neat. I'm all about neat finishing, Yeah, I'm all about neat finishing. So make sure your finishing is neat. So this the end of the tutorial. Subscribe and put on your notifications so that you're going to get an update whenever I post something new. Okay, it was nice doing this tutorial. I enjoyed it. Okay, so yeah, so this is the band, the rope. Yeah, the rope on the skirts, looking all cute and all that. Okay, I wish you well. Have fun. Bye bye.